The Fullerton Police Department in Southern California is already under fire, following the death of a homeless and mentally ill man who got into a violent fight with 6 officers at a bus stop last month. The confrontation was caught on video, and prosecutors and the FBI are now investigating the death of 37-year-old Kelly Thomas. Mark Turgeon witnessed the fight between Thomas and 6 officers. He has been interviewed by the district attorney.
People were yelling for the cops to stop, and they wouldn't stop. They just kept going. 2 more cops came, and now there were 6 of them, and they were just beating him, hitting his head against the curb right there. They hog-tied him and pulled him out there into the lane and continued to beat him until he stopped moving.
But now the Fullerton Police Department faces new allegations of perjury and excessive force in the arrest of a second person, a man named Veth Mam, a full year earlier. Mam's arrest was captured on his own cell phone camera outside a bar. Mam says he was filming his friend's arrest when an officer knocked his phone to the ground and arrested him on trumped-up charges.
The thing I remember is that they grabbed me by the sleeve after, they slammed the phone down, and then just tossed me around, and then I figured, whoa, maybe they'll let me go right away, but in this case, they kept quiet. I mean, they took me to the station, didn't ask a word.
But attorney Garo Martirassian says the footage shows officers fabricated police reports when they said Mam had jumped an officer and placed him in a chokehold. Mam was acquitted of all charges last month after jurors saw the video.
It was a calculated event, a conspiracy by police officers to write a report to convict this man of offenses he did not commit.
Martirassian says the officer who arrested Mam that night was also involved in the Thomas case. The department has admitted to arresting the wrong man, and police spokesman Sergeant Andrew Goodrich confirms that the department has launched an internal investigation into the Veth Mam case. Nicole Grether, The Associated Press.